Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and use my follow and subscribe motion graphics template for Premiere Pro. You can download this template absolutely free for limited time from the link in the description section below, or you can visit my website harshvardhanart.com. Coming up. So this is a motion graphics template. You can use this motion graphics template to show your Instagram and the YouTube channel. And this is a very simple drag and drop template. You can just drag it over your videos and you are good to go. And if you want to support me to make more and more free videos for you guys, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has 300 plus transitions and other elements like motion graphics, titles, packs and other pieces. And more are being added every week. So you can just download it at 70% off right now. The link of this is in the description section below. So without further ado, let's get started. After downloading, you will get a zip file, something like this, and you need to extract it using any unzip software like WinZip, 7-zip or WinRR, and I'm using WinRR, so I'll just extract it using this method, and thereafter you will see all of these five Moget files inside it. And now we need to install these files in Premiere Pro in order to make it work or in order to use it. And the method is always simple. Just go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way this panel would be open somewhere around here. And the manual way of installing it is to come to the bottom and click on this plus icon and then browse the downloaded folder wherever you have downloaded it and select one of these. So one by one you can select and then select open. All right, so since these works with Premiere Pro version 2019 and above, but if you have the latest version of the Premiere Pro like Premiere Pro 2020 or 2021, then you have the option to install it all at once. So for that purpose you need to come over here on this hamburger menu and you need to click on the manage additional folders. And once you'll do this, there would be this dialog box open. Over here you need to click on this add button and then you need to browse that downloaded folder. So in this case this one is this, and then you will select the select folder and then you will press OK. And thereafter when you will go to the Essential Graphics over here, you will see these motion graphics installed. So I have already done that, so that's why I have these. So you can see right now, let me show you. This is the first one and this is the second one, and this is the third and fourth and fifth. All right, so what you can do, you can simply just drag them over any of your clip or in the timeline and you are good to go. So let me show you first one. So if I just drag this one, number one, so let me show you this one. If I drag this over here and if I just play it, just see over here, first the Instagram would come and then the YouTube option would come. So in order to customize it, what you have to do, you have to go to the Essential Graphics panel once again and select the edit option. In the edit option you have the option to change your name. So first is for the Instagram text, so you can change it to your Insta handle. Okay, And if you just see over here your Insta handle, so you can write it over here. I have used this Nexa black font in this, but you can change it to any other font you like. Or suppose if you have not installed it, though, you can install it using the downloaded link provided within the folder itself. So you can change it to something else, and that would be updated right over here. Or let me see some font, let's say this one, and this would give you the instant result. Montserrat. Okay, and then you have the option to change its text, whether you want it to be all caps or small. So you can just change it from here. You can make it italic and all that. And here you have the option to change its position. At this time it's on the top by default, but you can change this position from here. So you can change the X position, so you can just make it here and there. You can change the Y position from here. You can scale it from here, okay, if you want to make it bigger. And you have the option to just change the size of the text from here, okay. And then we have the text number 2, and that is for the YouTube. So you can the second one is this one, follow for more. And suppose you want to change it to something else, so you can just click over here and you can change it to, let's say, follow now, okay. So that would be updated over here, follow now, right? And then we have the option of YouTube text. So if you just move it little bit ahead, you will see this option, okay. So this is the YouTube text. This text can be changed with the help of this one. So you can close this with clicking on this arrow, and over here you can write your name, your channel name. So suppose your channel name is like me, okay. And then we can just come down. Again, we have all these options. We can change the text, we can change the text fonts and everything else. You can change the text too as well, and you are good to go. And suppose if you don't want to have both of these, and suppose you want to just show you the, if you just want to show the Instagram only, so what you can do, you can just come to over here and move your playhead where the Instagram animation ends. So over here Instagram animation ends, something like this. Then you can select the move tool and just trim it to that part only, right? And so now if you just play it, you will have only the Instagram option. Alright, and if you want the YouTube rather than this one, so you can just trim it from this side, okay. And if you just play it, now we have only the YouTube. So using this you can do this. And then we have other options as well, and these are with some glowing light behind it. So if I just play it, just look at this, okay. And this is the rotating light. And then we have this one, and all have these similar options. You can just use these options to customize these in any way you want, okay. So this is how you can use these follow and subscribe motion graphics template for Premiere Pro. And once again, let me remind you that if you want to support me to make more and more free stuff for you guys, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has at this moment 300 plus transitions and elements which are very useful, drag and drop transitions and drag and drop elements just like this. This is also a part of best seamless transition pack. At this moment you can get this best seamless transition pack at up to 70% off. So go ahead, download it, support me, and consider sharing this video with others. And please like, subscribe and share this video. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.